Hey folks, this is Jay here from Chandler, Arizona. Let's talk future of work and Gen AI today. And me being a leader, a manager with multiple layers, I was thinking about one of the most profound impacts which has happened to me in managing in the recent times, especially with the advent of generative AI. That that particular process is to delegation. As you all guys all know, delegation is almost looked as a key skill as you grow in your career or grow on a career ladder, so to get more work done as you grow in stature and you try to steer the company in a particular direction or try to execute on a vision or a strategy. Delegation is a skill which is used to get your team to do what you would want to do, but at times with fresher eyes and also with a uh, much more nimbler, faster, collaborative way, so that uh, we are building more of us and more of the leaders which are around us. With Gen AI, uh, I, I think middle management can be relieved of the confusions which stay around delegation. So a lot of people feel that when you delegate, you should not micromanage. But as managers, some of you would know that if you're delegating a job for the first time to somebody who is doing that type of a job for the first time, you will have to keep a closer eye and coach at different moments, and that is called managing. But in this day and age, a lot of time it gets perceived as micromanaging. So nobody likes to micromanage and nobody likes to get micromanaged. But at the same time, there are certain complexities and realities in the politics of organization in which the manager or the leader has to be at times a little bit more hands-on, and those situations gets more trickier as we go. So I believe that Gen AI can make delegation much more easier by, if you are delegating a task to somebody who is doing it for the first time, Gen AI can help you in your busy job come up with very clear-cut guidelines and KPIs to measure against before that gets pushed up to say, hey, this is out of control or we need help. That's number one. If somebody is a seasoned campaigner and is just taking on a new project, Gen AI can automatically look at the tools which, or other AIs can look at the tools which the organization uses to provide regular proactive status updates to the leaders and managers to keep a tab on what the progress is and things like that. And number three is Gen AI can also help create initial feedbacks and regular feedbacks, first draft of feedbacks for doing regular one-on-ones with the employees, so that the person who is doing the task does not feel surprised at the end of a quarter or a performance cycle on different feedback he or she is receiving. But all in all, I do believe, even if you feel it doesn't help you, generative AI and AI and other kinds of automation is going to change how we delegate. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And more than happy to take any questions, put it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you.